In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in AOL Mail. A signature is the short block of text that appears automatically at the bottom of your outgoing emails. It's a great way to present a consistent sign-off and share key details without retyping them every time. Start by opening your web browser and searching for AOL Mail. In the results, choose the official AOL Mail page. This helps you land on the correct sign-in screen and avoids any lookalike pages. Once you're on the site, look to the upper right corner and select Login or Join. Sign in to the account where you want the signature to appear. If you're already signed in, you'll see your mailbox right away. Next, in the mailbox view, head again to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Options. From there, select More Settings. This opens a dedicated settings page with a menu running down the left side. In that left sidebar, click Writing Email. This is where AOL keeps composer preferences, including the signature feature. On the right, scroll to the signature section. If you have more than one email address linked, you'll see them listed there. Find the address you want to update and toggle the switch to On. That enables a signature for that specific address. As soon as you turn it on, a text box appears. Type the signature exactly as you want it to appear at the end of your messages. Keep it clear and concise, and only include details you're comfortable sharing publicly. Use the formatting toolbar right above the box to adjust the font, add bold or italics, insert line breaks, or turn text into clickable links. For example, you can link to a website or a social profile by highlighting text and applying a hyperlink. Aim for a clean look. Too many fonts or colors can make the signature hard to read. You don't need to hunt for a save button. AOL Mail saves your changes automatically as you type. That means you can simply close the settings when you're done. The next time you compose a new email, the signature you created will appear at the bottom of the message. If you want to tweak it later, come back to the same writing email section, edit the text, or toggle the switch off to remove it. And that's it. You searched for AOL Mail, signed in, opened more settings, went to writing email, enabled the signature option, customized it with formatting, and let AOL automatically save your changes. You're all set to send messages with a professional, consistent sign-off.